In this video, I wanted to show you how to clear your watch history and your search history on the YouTube mobile app. So I'm going to show you on the iPhone how to do that. The process is about the same on the Android device. So what you want to do is launch the YouTube mobile app here. And if you go to the settings, you'll see that option. To go to settings, you want to click your user profile picture right on top there, and it'll take you to this page where you have to press settings. And once you press this, if you scroll down, again, make sure you have the latest mobile version of this app to get this settings option. You'll have clear watch history here and clear search history. So if I clear search history, for example, it's going to give me this page. And if I press clear search history again, it's going to clear it. That's all I have to do. But let me show you this other setting here. You see that my activity icon is selected. If you select my activity icon right there, it'll take you to this page where you could actually turn off your web and app activities that Google tracks you on. So right here, I could turn the slider off and it'll turn off or pause my Google activity. Actually, Google will no longer track it. I've already done that with my location history and my device information. So these sliders are very helpful. And that's if you press clear search history, it will show you my activity. You could click that. Again, this video is about clearing search history. So if you press this, it will clear your search history just like that. Same with watch history, press it, clear watch history. And those are the two main settings that you need to know about this page. And you could also pause watch history and search history here by turning these on and off. So if you don't want YouTube to know anything that you're doing, not keep track of any of these things, you could just go ahead and pause that for now. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for a lot more easy to follow tech tutorials just like this one. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.